In recent years, there has been heated discussion of whether drivers aged 70 or over should be required to retake their driving test. There have been debates demanding tests to be retaken after fatal accidents reported. Most recently, a woman in the northwest being killed by an 88-year-old driver. Ron Jones, a driving instructor who has taught people over 60 years of age, insists that age does not affect someone's driving.
I don't think it's an issue. There are many more factors involved rather than just age. I think using age as a cut-off is not really fair because there was a documentary on TV lots long ago, 100-year-old drivers, and one of the better drivers there was actually 105 years old.
Many older drivers have not had to take the modern UK driving test without a single lesson. The chairman of Abbeyfield Society in Chester, who provide homes for the elderly, thinks the modern driving test should be considered for older drivers.
You see, for a lot of men who are over 80, a lot of them learned to drive in the army when they were doing national service. Never ever took a test. And they probably learned to driving a 3-ton lorry, which is very different from driving a car on modern roads. I'm in favour of everyone having to do the standard tests.
When drivers reach a certain age, they are required to inform the DVLA with forms whether they personally believe they are still well and fit enough to continue driving. Barry Seal is 73 and lives in Chester and has been driving for 56 years.
What is the trouble with the driving is people's manners. You must be aware of other people and be considerate to them, because anyone can make a mistake no matter how small, but the trouble is it can end up drastic.
The statistics of road accidents in the past 2 years generally show that the road accidents are mainly caused between younger drivers and older drivers. Will something be done for the elderly to ensure their driving is safer in years to come?